Namaskaram. I am Professor Dr. Sai Kumari V. In this video, let us learn how to use Arogya Setu app. Arogya Setu app is a collective initiative to fight against COVID-19 in India. The aim of the Arogya Setu app is to augment the initiatives of the Government of India, particularly the Department of Health, in proactively reaching out to and informing the users of the app regarding the risks, best practices, and relevant advisories pertaining to containment of COVID-19. You can use Arogya Setu app from both Android and OS. The app is available in most of the Indian languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Bengali, Oriya, Gujarati, Marathi, and also in English. The Arogya Setu app recommends several measures to the users such as self-assessment test, social distancing, do's and don'ts amid COVID-19. The app also has a chatbot that answers all basic questions on coronavirus disease. You can also find helpline numbers for each state in India. Now let us learn how to use Arogya Setu app. Download the Arogya Setu app from Google Play Store for Android users or App Store for iOS users. I am using an Android mobile. Now click Open. Select your preferred language. I prefer English. Click on English. You can read the informations about COVID-19 like these and about this app by clicking on the next button. Each one of us has the power to help prevent the spread of coronavirus pandemic in India. Would you like to be kept informed if you have crossed paths with someone who has tested COVID-19 positive? Click on Next. Arogya Setu app tracks through a Bluetooth and location generated social graph your interaction with someone who could have tested COVID-19 positive. Click on Next. You will be alerted if someone you have come in close proximity, even unknowingly, tests COVID positive. The app alerts are accompanied by instructions on how to self-isolate and what to do in case you develop symptoms that may need help and support. Click Next. With Arogya Setu app, you can protect yourself and your family and friends and help our country in the effort to fight COVID-19. Click Register now. The app asks for permission. Now click on I agree. Click Allow to allow the app to access your location. Enter your cell number. Click Submit. You will get an OTP. After entering your OTP, now enter your personal details. What is your gender? Click your choice, male, female, others. Now enter your full name and press the right arrow. Now enter your age and press right arrow. Then click on your profession choices are doctor, nurses, paramedical, police, offices, law enforcement, delivery, chemist, pharmacy, wholesaler, groceries, industry, manufacturer, retailer, none of the above. Countries travelled outside in last 30 days. Click on the country name or none. Ready to volunteer in the time of need? Give your choice yes or no. Are you feeling well? Give your choice yes or no. To take 20-second self-assessment test, click yes or later. Please give correct answers. Click OK. Got it. Read the instructions carefully and click on the choices given. Are you experiencing any of the following symptoms? The symptoms are cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, none of the above. Have you ever had any of the following? Diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, heart disease, none of the above. Have you travelled anywhere internationally in the last 14 days? Click the correct answer yes or no. Which of the following apply to you? Click on your choice. Click OK. You can get your findings and recommendations. You can click on test again if you wish to repeat the test. If you wish to share this app to your friends or family members, click on Share App. I request all of you to give the correct answer for each of the questions to get a proper analysis report. Yes, that's all. We have learnt the basics of Arogya Setu app. You have plenty more in this app. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.